So I was dreaming of a Hawaiian beach vacation for a spring break, but my wallet says absolutely not. So I planned a staycation to the cold but beautiful Oregon coast with AI instead. Because who needs all of that hot weather and the stress of getting on an airplane and all that nonsense? So I fired up Python in my Jupyter notebook, because who needs a travel agent when you have code? I imported the crewai framework in order to build my agents. Using Llama, I downloaded Llama 3.2 locally to use as my LLM. No fancy expensive models here. I had to build a custom DuckDuckGoSearch tool through LangChain. I did this so I didn't have to burn through Serper's free tokens just to do Google searches. All the agents had access to crewai's native web crawler. I created a travel agent, a fueling guru, and a tour guide. Because I am having the results in a JSON file, I need to create a data model, and how I do that is with a pydantic object. Now it's time to create tasks. So I create a task for each of the agents, and I define what it is. So I give it a description, the expected output, and then if there's an output file, I specify what it should be named, and then I assign the task to the respective agent. And now that I have defined the agents as well as their tasks, I can now create a crew. So in order to run the crew, I have to give it some details. So I define a couple of things, for example, the origin as well as destination and the budget. It was absolutely fascinating to see how these agents thought through the process, and I wrote up my conclusion on using crewai and my first dive into agentic crews. If you are interested in the code in more detail and how I built it, I'll have my blog post in the description. So these agents took about 5 minutes in order to output this, and here we go. We have information about some lodging. The fueling guru found gas stations as well as charging stations, and it output in Markdown format. The tour guide dug up some free and fun activities, and it also output in Markdown. So now the only thing left to do is to create a crew to build a bonfire on the beach and roast some marshmallows. And here's my shameless plug. If you need any AI agents for your business, I can build them. You can hire me, or I can teach you how. Let's make it happen. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe. Till next time, friends.